Now let's discuss about the ingredients we need to cook pizza. The first ingredient is obviously water, normal water that I use from the tap. Now the next ingredient is yeast. I take ordinary yeast which I bought in the shop here. Then we need the salt, and then we go to olive oil. I'm not really promoting any oil, but try to use any good one. Next, very important one is the flour. Here I found the good flour which I can find here in the shop. Locally you might need to experiment, or you want to find the special one for pizza. Great, these are the ingredients we need to prepare dough. Let's talk about the ingredients to make sauce. I will use simple crushed tomato which I bought in the shop. I will use some garlic, really this is optional, and then here I will use some salt and pepper. These ingredients we need to prepare some toppings. I will be cooking today 4 pizzas, so this will be just fine for me, this little piece here. I have onion and I have small tomatoes. Here I also have my oregano, I have capers, and I will use some olive oil which I can put on top of the pizza. So looks like I have everything that we will need, so it's time to make our dough.